car is rated officially by Hyundai with 280 horsepower and 397 Nm of torque. Welcome back to the next episode of RaceChip Insights, this time with the brand new Hyundai Kona N with 280 horsepower in stock. In this episode we're gonna strap the car on our dyno, measure it in stock, develop the tune for it, measure it afterwards as well, and of course we are going to check out the 100 to 200 km/h times on the German Autobahn. Quick walk around, color is really beautiful, suits the car pretty good, especially in combination with the black rims. In terms of interior design, yeah, pretty familiar, as it is basically the same as on the i30 N facelift, or pretty much the same. Back seats, room is okay, I would say, and a dual tip exhaust system as we know it from the i30 N facelift already. One big tip at the left side, one at the right side. Overall, really nice looking car. I like it a lot. Now you're gonna see some nice B-roll. So real stock figures of the Kona N. Car is rated by Hyundai in stock with 280 horsepower, 397 Nm of torque. We measured the car on our dyno now with 309 horsepower and 446 Nm of torque in stock. A little bit more than claimed. However, we measured an i30 N facelift a couple of months ago. If you have missed that episode, we're gonna list it somewhere here so you can click on it. And that car had basically the same amount of power, so I would say spot on. We're gonna start the development of the tune now and see you in a few days. We finished the development for the Kona N. Installation of the product is really easy. It takes roughly around 10 to 15 minutes, I would say. But of course, product will be delivered together with an installation guide. But as mentioned, really easy. 3 connections: turbo boost, pressure sensor, intake pressure sensor, and camshaft position sensor. About the figures, with the tune, 335 horsepower, 473 Nm of torque. On the screen you can see thin line is stock, blue line is tuned, thick line is tuned, sorry. Really nice gain all over the RPM range, holds the torque really, up until red line. And you should definitely feel it on the street, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna drop the 100 to 200 times by a massive amount.